What is up, guys? Today, I was thinking, I've got the most beautifulest, sparkliest, alcohol-y, inkest cup ever. You guys really loved that video, but I got to thinking, I need more sparkle. So, how could I do the easiest, glitteriest, most beautiful cup ever? And I got an idea. I picked 4 colors that look good together that I kind of like, and I went and bought me some opal. See, it's blue and pink, and no matter which way you turn it, I'm just going to randomly spray paint some spots around this guy and this guy or gal, whatever. I don't care. I'm not assuming,
Did you just assume my gender?
And we're going to spray it and we're going to glitter, and it's going to be super beautiful, super easy. Anybody can do it. Let's go. So I am using all of these colors here: berry pink, grape, sea glass, and coral. So I know you guys like to know what colors I'm using. If you notice, they're not the same brands. I'm just using what I got, and they're gloss. So when I spray this guy here with the little dots, I'm going to sand it back down with a little Scotch-Brite pad to knock off the shininess so that the epoxy will stick to it, and I can... Whoa, dude, that's trippy. You see the colors that thing does? Oh, wait till you see this. Let's get started. I'm going to spray some dots on here, and then we're going to go. Alright, now you got something that looks like this. Spray, depending on what colors you use, and there's several ways you can apply the glitter to this. You can use spray glue, Mod Podge, tack it, but we're going to use epoxy. And now we've been rolling for a few minutes. I got my opal. I keep wanting to say holographic, but it's opal. But I like saying opal. Opal sounds fancy, yeah? Yes. Alright, so now we're just going to sprinkle and let it roll. That's it. It's really that simple. Put a bag under to catch so you don't waste it. You want to use everything. You don't want to waste any of this beautiful stuff. I am really laying it to this mug. It's okay. The excess will fall off and you'll be left with beautifulness like this. Isn't that gorgeous? Do it a couple times. Who cares? Let it roll, baby. And you can load this bad boy down. Keep going around with some spots you missed. I will put this back in my bag because I don't care. Some people say, oh, you can't. It's contaminated. Listen, that doesn't matter. I don't care. Savage! I'm just going to use it like this again next time. So why waste it? So, isn't that beautiful? Look at that marvelousness. So, what I want to show you was the opal shifts colors about like a holographic, but the colors that you put under it changes the colors that it shows up on the opal parts. So, isn't that pretty? We're going to let that roll 3 hours, maybe 4. I don't know. We're going to put another layer of epoxy on here, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. One more thing, I want to show you guys this because, at the bottom, what are you going to do? I'm going to show you guys this because a lot of you would be scared to do this because you think, I'm going to screw it up, but don't worry about it. Listen, pour you a big old pail of opal glitter, and check this out. Take this bad boy off and just dip it. Boop, boop, boop. Smash it right in there. And then knock it off. Look, it's perfect. You can do it some more if you want to. I don't care. Do whatever you want. Pour you a big old pile, and then there. Perfection. Put it back on, let it spin, and then, like the rest of what I said. Alright, there you have it. This way was done with the tack it and the sprinkle, and then I sealed it with this stuff. Let it sit, and now I put 1 coat of epoxy on it, and it looks pretty beautiful if you ask me. Look at that bling, baby. And then this one If you want more bling, more fullness of sparkle, this method was done with the epoxy. So I epoxied it, sprinkled, dinkled, you seen it. And then I had to do 2 more layers on this because it makes it stand up. And that's why it looks more bling-tastic and fuller with the sparkle. So whichever way you want, whichever way you like to do it. Of course, you could have done this again with the tacket and then did it again and whatever. But 2 different ways, 2 different results. Both are amazing. Give you some view of that. Boom, boom. And then, oh, much more blingerific. Is that a word? I don't know. But I'm going to sand these down when they're done, put my designs on each of them, but you do whatever you want. Or you can leave it like this, and it's beautiful. And you could also fade in your colors more, hold them back. I think I did that more with this one. I sprayed a little back further and kind of mixed them a little more. And this one's just... So you just experiment, try things out, learn. And if you like tips and tricks like this, where it shows you different ways to do the same thing, get different results, it's all a matter of experimenting. But if you like stuff like this, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed, and then we can be friends and you can see all my stuff. Turn the bell on. It doesn't count if you don't hit the bell. 2 days later. Alright, so I will show you. This is what I ended up doing. This is a beautiful day to save lives. It sure is. It's a thank a nurse. Thank you to all the nurses and who all do all whatever, all this through this. And the second one is a TV sitcom faves. The TV's busted. An airbrush, some smoky stuff coming out of it, and put some water slide transfers right there. And it goes all the way around to all those cool shows they like. And look at that. That just makes a beautiful background, no matter what you're doing. So that I just want to show you that real quick. Look at the bling on this baby. Bling, bling. This one too, look at just when you turn it, because you're going to turn it to look around at all the names, so it makes it interesting. It moves your eye around for you with all the sparklies. It goes great with holographic vinyl for sure. It's kind of like an orangey pink there, purpley blue. Ooh, pretty. Alright, so watch these next videos and let's keep this party going.